Hi, it's Johnny Walker from River City Nissan in beautiful snowy Kamloops, BC. Here I have a fresh new trade-in 2019 Nissan Frontier Pro4x luxury. So this one is 2019. It has 18,600 kilometers. The luxury one basically means you get leather power seat inside, which is a nice little extra. The Pro4x all have a 4-litre V6 engine. You've got more skid plates, locking rear differential, built-in shock absorbers, rear parking sensors, and in the back you have the factory spray liner with the rail system, so you can tie things down anywhere. The Pro4x's have the short 5-foot box, and they have the roof rail system on the top, which allows you to attach anything up there. They come with a hand-cooked Dynapro all-weather tyre, so you don't have to change the tyres in the winter if you don't want to, because they've got the snowflake on them. Front fog lights. This one's not been detailed and cleaned yet, but it's in really good shape. And then in the back, you've got the 4 seats even, and then you can fold the rear seats down that way, or they can lift up, which I can't do with one hand, but they lift up. And then we also have the sunroof, and you've got the leather Pro4x seats with the stitching with the Pro4x. And then this one is an auto, which all of the crew cab ones are. And then we have backup camera, dual climate control, and then you've got your four-wheel drive lock down there, and then you've got your heated seats for high and low, parking sensors on and off, locking rear differential. You've got navigation as well, and you've got the Rockford Fosgate stereo system with Sirius radio. And then you've got your usual cruise control Bluetooth stuff over here, and then you've got your backup camera with backup reverse mirror with temperature gauge and compass in it as well. And as you can see, this one has done 18,681 kilometers. We've got it listed at 37,995. This thing will go pretty fast. These are really hard to get hold of at the moment. Give me a shout, Johnny Walker, 250-574-3307. Speak to you soon. Cheers.